Now I'm going to get into our general systems so you can see what are people paying 6 grand a month for. Because I think that's one of the most common things is people look at our business and say, okay, that's a cold calling lead gen company. We've seen that before. Uh, it is far more than that. And there's a lot more going on behind the scenes. And I'll show you what the difference is, how the difference between slamming clients with a bunch of leads that they got to deal with versus a full done for you system with the output being qualified leads that are manageable that someone can talk to and scale up with. We do all of the systems from very beginning to the end. And the best way to go through that is just to walk you through the life cycle of a lead. And so we'll start there with the raw data and how we do that for you. In the beginning of our process, we have a meeting for our clients. We set long-term goals, how many deals they need to purchase, how many callers they'll need to purchase those many deals. And then what you see here is us just keeping track of that over time with action items and things like that. The point is we have structured meetings and we will talk about where are you targeting? Why are you targeting that? Okay, what is your strategy? What are some ideas? What filters should we use? Then we go ahead and pull data for you. And so if we were to look at data, we'll go to Land Insights. We will pull good data from Land Insights. Land Insights uses data tree. And so we will a lot of times use the filters of they've owned for 2 years, they're an out of county owner, the county you want to target, the acreage, a minimum estimated market value. We try to not look at deals under $20,000 profit. We will take out duplicates. We'll scrub out LLCs owned by corporations. Then we'll put it through a custom ChatGTP scrub. And that just custom ChatGTP scrub will eliminate government-owned entities that we might have missed. And then we'll put it here. So we'll do here, we'll put it here, and the data will be not started. And then when we go through the data, we'll start calling it. And you can see here, this is what's about to be run. This is all the campaigns. And then here would be the active campaigns where we're live calling. And what we keep track of here is what the results were like. So you can see, meh, retarget if things change, or good, let's maybe retarget. And so as we call through data, we get answers on how each thing was, and we can always revisit it. So we get this raw data, we put it into our system here so we can track it, and then we put it into Ready Mode, our dialer. SOPs for everything, but this is how we upload that clean data into Ready Mode, and specifically what happens with that